This is Palak Madhwani from Monkey Ads and Academy, and I'm going to show you how to access the Monkey Academy dashboard. So first of all, you need to type monkeyacademy.in. Please note, monkeyads.in is our website where we are promoting our services and products, and monkeyacademy.in is our learning management system, which is for our participants and everyone who is joining our Monkey Academy for learning digital marketing. So please ensure that you use monkeyacademy.in for accessing the learning management system. So once you click on, once you type monkeyacademy.in in your web browser, it will open up this website which is opening. So once it is opened up, you need to log in. First of all, you need to sign up in monkeyacademy.in. So if you are a new user, you need to click on login here. So let the website get loaded first. So I'll pause meanwhile. Yes, so now we have this monkeyacademy.in loaded. Now here you can see that there is login written. So once you click here, so it will open up this page. Now you have two options. One is to log in via Facebook or Google, and the other is to sign up with email. So I will request everyone to use sign up with email option. Please use sign up with email option. So once you click sign up with email, here you write, don't use this email ID, you write your own. So your email ID at gmail.com or whatever your email ID is, and then you should have your password here. Whatever password you want, you can put it, and then you can sign up. So now while you do this, make sure that you use an appropriate password, which is very simple to remember. You don't use your important password which you have for your bank details or for your primary email IDs and everything. So here you can use a separate new email password which is simple for you to remember, and it is separately only made for monkeyacademy.in. Simple. I'll do it in front of you. So I'm going to sign up by this email ID of mine, and I'm entering the password which is simple and I can easily remember, and I'm clicking on sign up. So once I click sign up, it will show, load and show this screen to me. It is asking me to save the password. If you are on your own personal computer, you can save the password, else you can skip that part. So now this is done. I have done. If you can see here, it is logged in. So if you find this kind of a symbol, that means you're logged in. Now after this, if you click on masterclass, if you click on masterclass, you can see here it is showing join to me. So those who are first time users, like they've just signed up for Monkey Academy, they need to send their email ID to us if they are our registered participants for Digital Marketing Masterclass. Once you send your email ID, for in this case I have signed up by Palak at monkeyads.in. If you send those, you have to send that email ID to us via WhatsApp, and we will approve your request from backend, and here it will show you a different thing once that approval is done. So till here it was about signing up, and once you've signed up, you can use this dashboard after approval from our side. So now I'm logging out from this email ID because this was just to show you how to sign up. Now I will show you how to use the dashboard. So I'm just logging out from this email ID and going to use the approved email ID which I have. So meanwhile I'll pause the video and come back again. So let us assume you did the sign up and sent me the email ID. Meanwhile, you have some time in between, because immediately I may not be able to approve, or our team may not be able to approve. So meanwhile, once you have sent it, you will be continue with your work. So after we confirm that we've approved, you will be coming back to monkeyacademy.in. So monkeyacademy.in. So once you come back here, you will have to log in now because you are already signed up. So I hope you are very much clear the difference between sign up and login. Sign up is a process where you are registering yourself with monkeyacademy.in, and login is you are already a member. So now we'll click on login. It will show me again to sign up, but now we are already a member, so we have to read this line, already a member, and click on login because we are already a member. Don't click on login with email here, which is on the sign up stage. So because both sign up and login appears identical, so a lot of people get confused. Now in the login point here, the title should be login and you have to log in with email. So here you will it will prompt you if you have saved the password, the email ID which was there, but I'm going to use a different one because I have given approval from before and while making this video. So now login. So after your email has been approved, say for example abc@xyz.com, which you had created an account with, you have sent it to us and we'll approve it. So after you have got that approval, you can go to masterclass again after logging in, and you will be able to access the digital marketing masterclass. So you might be seeing that the website is loading a little slower because I am recording this video on my laptop and it requires a lot of resources. That's why it is a little slow, but for you it will be normal. So now here you can see that we have mentioned you are a participant. Simple. So now here you can click on view and you will be able to access the dashboard. As simple as that. So I will like to repeat this in Hindi. आप monkeyacademy.in पे जाएंगे, पहले साइन अप करेंगे, फिर जिस ईमेल आईडी से आपने साइन अप किया होगा वो ईमेल आईडी आप मंकी एकेडमी की टीम को भेजेंगे. मंकी एकेडमी टीम आपका ईमेल आईडी और आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन डिटेल्स वेरीफाई करेगी. अगर आपने हमारे वर्कशॉप में डिजिटल मार्केटिंग मास्टर क्लास में रजिस्टर किया है और पार्टिसिपेट किया है तो आपको हमारी टीम बैकएंड से अप्रूव करेगी और फिर आप वही ईमेल आईडी का यूज़ करके लॉगिन करेंगे वापस आके monkeyacademy.in पे, एंड देन मास्टर क्लास पे क्लिक करेंगे और मास्टर क्लास पे क्लिक करके जो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग मास्टर क्लास था उसमें जाके व्यू करेंगे और यू विल एबल टू एक्सेस एवरीथिंग. So this is how you are going to use Monkey Academy learning management system. So thank you so much. If you have any queries, you can message us on the Facebook group which we have created, and we'll help you to solve your queries there. और आप ये पूरा लिटरेचर दे सकते हैं और हम इस तरह के वीडियोस बनाते रहेंगे जो हम इस डैशबोर्ड पे भी डालेंगे और जो बाकी ओपन टू ऑल वाले वीडियोस हम बनाएंगे वो हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे और सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे डालेंगे, तो वहाँ पे भी आप देख सकते हैं. So follow us on social media. This is Palak Madhwani signing off. Thank you so much. Karo Monkey.